We're going to be creating a brand for a made-up company called Faster. I've created a bit of a mood board. I'm going to use the inspiration to like pull out some colors. If you struggle with colors, you can click on the recolor button and then head to Generative Recolor, and we could put in summer in Italy. So it gives you some different options. Next up, I did some sketches earlier. I'll take an existing font, which is what we're going to do today, and then make some adjustments to it. I actually think that the one that I'm drawn to the most is this one. I'm just going to head over to this page and paste it on. Yeah, I'm going to make some adjustments. And what I'm going to do is use the pencil tool. Make sure that I've got the letter selected, and I'm just going to like add bits on. So I'm just going to select it all. And then I'm going to use the shape builder tool just to make sure that everything is like added together. I'm just going to bring the gray in so we can see how that looks. So I'm just going to get the F and bring it down here so that we can work on a little submark. So I'm going to head to effects and I am going to go to distort and transform and zigzag. I think somewhere around here is nice. Yeah, that's nice. So what I need to do is go object, expand appearance so that it'll now retain that shape. So I'm just going to sort of have a look at how this looks in different colorways. So like thinking about how this could like look, you know, on an image. If I just select one that's got the cream F here and then go to mockup beta, click make, it's going to bring up this window and it's immediately mocked it up for me. Job done. So this one, for example, I licensed. Click on it and start moving it around and it bends around the box, which that just blows my mind, frankly. So these are some illustrations that I did earlier in Adobe Fresco. So what I'm going to start to do is just create some patterns with these illustrations. So I've just arranged them all in this gray square and I'm just going to select everything and then I'm going to go to object pattern make. You can adjust things here as to how you want the pattern to show up. So like I've got it that it shows 5x5 copies and then it dims the copies. So it gives you this preview. So I'm just going to click done and that's going to save it to my swatches. Just create a rectangle here. Then I'm going to go to my swatches and it should be there. And so then you can see the pattern. If you are creating a library in Illustrator that you intend to bring over into Adobe Express, one thing that is going to help you out is if you organize your library. So I'm going to make myself folders. So I'm going to have the logo, the colors, and I'm just going to start like adding everything in. And what we're going to do now is head into Adobe Express, head to your stuff. And you'll see that there's brands and libraries. You'll see up here, there's a button that says use as brand. So I'm going to click on that and you'll see, because I was organized in my brand kit, it's kept that structure. So I've got my logos all organized, my colors, my illustrations, and my patterns. I can click up here. I can invite people, I can add them to it so that they can access it and then they can use this brand kit from within their account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a story. Head to background color and you'll see that it's already got my brand there for me. Maybe I'll go for the gray, go to media, and I'm going to find a stock image that I could use from here. Go to your stuff, brands and libraries, and click on that. Just going to get my logo. We'll bring in some of these illustrated elements. So what I'm going to do is just add some animation so that I just like made it swipe in, but I might make it like breathe once it's in. So you'll see it's like previewing. So everything's really easily organized. They can always come back to it. They're not going to like lose their files.
So until next time, Liz and my friends, hopefully we'll see you very soon. I look forward to it. Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Ciao.